Unlock the power of magnetic wellness. Looking for an easy, effective way to experience the benefits of biomagnetic therapy? The 3-Magnet Quick Start Kit by SaveMeMagnets is the most basic yet powerful introduction to holistic wellness and biomagnetic science. Professionals use these types of therapy magnets and dual polarity strategies for advanced healing, and now you can experience the benefits for yourself. This kit is designed for those curious about biomagnetic healing and provides a simple way to help with physical and emotional discomfort while restoring balance. This starter kit includes 3 compact, domino-sized, ultra-strength therapy magnets used by professionals. A quick start, instructional illustrated guide with 5 powerful biomagnetic formulas for immediate application and relief. Color-coded ergonomic design, durable, hypoallergenic, and thoughtfully crafted for easy use, including tactile polarity cues for the visually impaired. How to use: where tradition meets science. For centuries, civilizations from Egypt to Greece have used magnets for healing. Now you can combine this ancient wisdom with today's modern scientific understanding for natural relief that you, your family, and your loved ones can benefit from. Reduce stress, fatigue, and headaches. Amplify mental clarity and emotional balance. Support detoxification and pain relief. Boost immune function and support the body's ability to maintain balance for overall wellness. Your journey to wellness starts here. Simple yet effective. No complicated steps. Just apply the magnets as indicated in the pictures and feel the difference. Complements your wellness routine. Works alongside meditation, yoga, prayer, and other self-care practices. A meaningful gift. Share the gift of health and balance with loved ones. Used by professionals. Many practitioners use these magnets in their wellness practices. Scientifically accurate labeling. Unlike other manufacturers, our magnets are correctly labeled according to the laws of science. Peace of mind. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. At SaveMeMagnets, your wellness journey is our priority. We stand by our product and guarantee your satisfaction. Start your biomagnetic therapy journey today.